Hello, scholars or scientists. It's me, Miss Sanchez again. And in this video, I will be going over our packet for this week, which is week 8. All right, so let's get started. So on my screen here, I have the first one, which is Science Day 1. So on day 1, the directions say, fill in the missing parts of the plant. Use the word bank to help you. So let's read the 4 parts on the top. So as I say them, I want you to repeat after me. So stem, leaves, roots, and flower. All right, so let's take a look at this empty box down over here. So we'll do this one first. So, what part of the plant is this right here? Well, I think it looks like the part that soaks up the water and nutrients and anchors the plant. Remember, it anchors the plant to the ground. So which part of the plant do you think that is? Is it the stem? Is it the leaves? Is it the roots? Or is it the flower? So you got to think about it. What part is this right here? Well, if you said roots, guess what? You are absolutely right. Now you're going to write it in the box. So you're going to continue doing this, okay? You're going to continue doing it once you finish writing it. So you're going to write the word root here, and it's right over here so you can spell it, okay? Once you're finished, you're going to continue doing it for this box, and this box. You're going to fill in the missing parts of the plant. All right. So my next page, we're going on to day 2 now. This is day 2 in the packet. Ready? All right. So this one is called Life Cycle of a Plant. So on day 2, the directions say, color and cut out the pictures and paste them in order. Now, I know that your paper may be in back of another assignment. So if you don't want to cut it, that's okay. What you can do is in each box here, you see all these boxes here? You can write in the correct stage of the plant's life cycle. So let's do the first one together. So in box 1 right here, I need to put what the first stage in a plant's life cycle is. So let's take a look at the bottom here. Here at the bottom, we have the 4 different stages. So I want to know which one comes first. So would the part of the plant that goes in box 1, would it be the sprout? Would it be the flower? Would it be the seed? Or would it be the plant? So if you said seed, this one right here, that's the first stage, guess what? You are right. So you can color a seed right here. You can color it in. And then what you can do here is write the word seed, just like it is down here, okay? You can write seed. And if you have any room, you can also draw a seed right here, right next to it, or anywhere in the space next to it, okay? So if you have room, you're more than welcome to do that. So now you're going to do the same thing for the rest of the boxes. You're going to be filling in stage 2, filling in stage 3, and filling in stage 4 of the plant's life cycle. All right, scholars. So now we are in science packet day 3. So in your packet, the science day 3. So the directions for day 3 say, draw a picture for each stage of the butterfly life cycle. So we have the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis, and the butterfly. So that's right. So for this day, we are going to think about the life cycle of a butterfly. So the 4 stages are, repeat after me, egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and butterfly. Very good. So let's point the first box right here. So let's think about what the first stage in a butterfly's life cycle is. Is it the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis, or the butterfly? What do you think? Think about it. What's the first stage in a butterfly's life cycle? Yes, the first stage is the egg. So what you're going to do here, you're going to draw the egg in the first box and color it and label. Make sure that you label, okay? Don't forget to label. It's very important so that we know exactly what it is that you're drawing. So once you're done with the first stage, you're going to move on to the next one, stage 2, then stage 3, and stage 4, okay? All right, and that is it for day 3. All right, now for day 4, for science scholars, the direction day, draw what the caterpillar will grow into next as part of its life cycle. Then you're going to write about it. So first we need to think about the different stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. So the 4 stages are, what are they again? They are egg, then caterpillar, yes, and next, yes, a chrysalis, and finally a butterfly. Great job. So take a look at the caterpillar here. He's so cute, isn't he? Yes. So what is the next stage for our caterpillar here? Does it become an egg? Does it become a butterfly right away? Or does it become a chrysalis first? So think about it and don't get tricked. So you're going to draw the stage next to the caterpillar. So right here in this empty spot right here in the box, you have space there to draw the next stage of my caterpillar here. So go ahead and color in your picture once you draw it, okay? And once you're done drawing it, you're going to write about it here in the lines. You're going to write about what the caterpillar grew into. And finally, scientists, day 5. It's going to review of what we learned this week. So let's start off with number 1. So put your finger on number 1. So number 1 says, what is a life cycle? Put your finger on the triangle. Is it a path for how a living thing grows and changes? Put your finger on the rectangle. Is it how fast something moves? Or put your finger on the oval. Life. So what is a life cycle? Go ahead and circle the right one. All right. Put your finger on number 2. Number 2 says, fill in the blank. So after the caterpillar stage, the next stage in the butterfly's life cycle is the blank stage. So what goes in the blank here? What comes after the caterpillar stage? Is it the butterfly or is it the chrysalis stage? So you're going to go ahead and either circle it or write it on the line. All right, so moving on finally to number 3. Put your finger on number 3. All right, in the plant life cycle, what part carries the water to the leaves? Ooh. Put your finger on A. Is it the flower? Put your finger on B. Is it the stem? Or put your finger on C, the caterpillar. So in the plant's life cycle, what part carries the water to the leaves? Go ahead and circle. All right, great job, scholars. I want to wish you a great weekend, and I'll see you next week, okay? Bye.